The title of this mini podcast is Married to Misery. You ever notice how some people seem married to their misery? I mean, really committed. They don't just visit it now and then. They live with it, sleep next to it, and wake up next to it every day. Years ago, I got an email from a woman who was clearly in a long-term relationship with her pain. Her story was heartbreaking: tragedy in childhood, a rushed marriage, betrayal, divorce, and the emotional and physical weight that followed. But what struck me most wasn't the events. It was how tightly she held on to the story. She told it so many times it had taken over her identity. That's what happens when we stop dating our thoughts and decide to marry them. That's when your heartaches begin. Suddenly, every conversation, every thought, every moment is filtered through that pain. Here, in so many words, is what I told her. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. And when you observe them as a bystander, instead of engaging or arguing with them, your self-torture begins to ease. Also, and this is a big one, you've got to retire your story. Stop retelling it like it's breaking news, because every time you say it, you relive it. And that keeps the misery alive and kicking. Even a good therapist only needs to hear it once. But you've come to believe if you tell it just one more time, that will make your problems go away. Sorry, they're here to stay, unless you divorce yourself from your thoughts and have a book-burning party for your story. Look, we've all been through some stuff. Some of it brutal, like this woman. But constantly justifying where we are because of where we've been is just renewing your vows with misery. It's time for a clean break. Observe your thoughts, let go of your story, and watch the fog lift, and feel how much lighter life begins to feel. All the best to you now, John.